Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, beta, turn on your mics. Sorry, turn on your cameras, beta. Sharoz, turn off your mic. Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam. Okay, beta, turn on your cameras. Okay, Ali, Sharoz, very good, beta. I can see you. Beta, be ready for your RT. Today's topic is ocean from the chapter Physical Features of the World. And we are going to uh, discuss about the oceans side by side. And after that, uh, I am going to ask you some questions from the topic oceans and ocean currents. Is it clear? So prepare your loose sheets, beta, and be ready for your RT. Take your loose sheets, beta. Prepare your sheets right now. Turn on your cameras. Only Iman, Muhammad Ali, and Shahroz have turned on their cameras. And Sumaya, turn on your camera, beta. Okay, Sumaya. Muhammad Talha, turn on your camera, beta. Okay, good. Muhammad Arif, turn on your camera. Otherwise, I will put everyone who is not going to turn on his or her camera, I will put to you all in the waiting room. So turn on, all of you, turn on your cameras. Okay, Sumaya, Ramla, very good, Ramla, turn on your camera. Very good. Okay, beta, as I told you in the start of my class, that today's topic is ocean and ocean currents. So be ready for your revision test. So prepare your loose sheets and so I can start. Hurry up, beta. Prepare your loose sheets so I can start my questions. Um, and everyone has to turn on his camera. Muhammad Arif,
मिस चैप्टर का नाम क्या है?
physical features of the world, beta. Last time we discussed, and you have given me the RT of the topic continents. And I told you in this class that in the next class we will discuss oceans. So, with the oceans, we are going to discuss also the ocean currents. Is it clear? Okay. No, I'm not going to say again and again that turn on your cameras. I will wait just for 5 minutes, and after that, I will put you in the waiting room. So, Fatma Nadeem and Muhammad Arif, turn on your camera, hurry up. You have just 5 minutes. Okay, Muhammad Ali, show me your copy or sheet, whatever you have. Are you ready, beta? Okay. Put today's date, beta, at the top of the sheet, and write down the chapter name as well and the topic's name in the bracket. Topics are oceans and ocean current. Okay, Sheroz, well done. Okay, Muhammad Ali, very good. So, as I told you that today's topic is ocean. Okay. Okay, Muhammad Arif, you have just 5 minutes. Turn on your camera. Yes. And well done, all of you. Beta, you are wearing your uniform. Very good, all of you. You are going to turn on your cameras, and you are doing well, beta. Seventh class. Well done, beta. Well done, all of you. And you are really looking good. Very nice. Okay, Sumaya, show me your copy. And who is this? Muhammad Arif, show me your copy. Fatma Nadeem, better turn on your camera. You have just 2 or 3 minutes. Better turn off your book. Book book is not allowed, beta, in this class. You are going to give the revision test. So you have to prepare already for the test, because I told you in the previous class the topics of today's RT. Okay, Sumaya, show me your copy, beta. Fatma Nadeem, turn on your camera. हाँ, हिलती जुलती नहीं है। फाइजा जावेद है ना? इधर से ओए होए डाल दूं? किधर जाना है? रिमूव कर दूं? चल। Who is this Faiza Javed? Is this Aisha Javed? Better turn on your camera. If there is Aisha Javed, then turn on your camera. Who is this? Faiza Javed. You have just 2 minutes. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. इसका कलर- Okay, Aisha. Better try to enter in the class through your own ID. Is it clear? Okay, Aisha, turn on your camera. Okay. As I told you, today's topic is oceans and ocean current. Muhammad Arif, show me your copy. And you are not allowed to open the book, Muhammad Arif. Show me your copy. Sumaya, are you listening me? Hamza Kashif, turn on your camera. Okay, beta. Aisha, turn on your camera, beta. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room in further 5 minutes, within 5 minutes. Okay, as I told you that our today's topic chapter name is physical features of the world, and today's topic is ocean and ocean current. Aisha Javed, better turn on your camera. Alishba Sarfraz, better turn on your camera. Okay, Ramla, show me your copy. Okay, okay, well done, beta. Very good. Okay, let's start. Our first question is, how many oceans are there in the world? Name these. First of all, you have to write down the question, then raise your hands. How many oceans are there in the world? Name these. Okay. Hamza Kashif, turn on your camera. Alishba Sarfraz, turn on your camera, beta. You have just 5 minutes. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. Both of you turn on your cameras. Hamza Kashif and Alishba Sarfaraz. Yes, Aisha Javed. Yes, Aisha. Tell me the answer. Okay, very good, beta. I can see your hands. Aisha, beta. Yes, Aisha.
Miss, there are five oceans in the world.
Very good. There are five oceans in the world, and name the.
Pacific Ocean,
Yes, Pacific.
Atlantic Ocean,
Hmm.
Indian Ocean, Arctic
Yes,
Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean.
Antarctic Ocean. Very good. Very good, beta. Okay. Aisha, beta, turn on your camera, beta. Okay. Write down the answer. Muhammad Arif, write down the answer, and after completing your answer, you have to check me your copy. There are five oceans in the world. Write down the answer. There are five oceans in the world, and these oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. I repeat the names of the oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Okay, very good. Muhammad Ali, Ramla, Shahroz, beta. Okay, Shahroz. Very good. Very neat work. Well done, Muhammad Ali. Very good, Ramla. Very nice. Well done. Okay, Muhammad Talha. Muhammad Ali, show me your copy. Muhammad Arif, if you will not turn on your camera, then I will put you in the waiting room. Hurry up, complete your question and then turn on your camera. Yes, Ramla, I can see your answer. Okay, very good, Iman Rashid. Well done. Sumaya, show me your copy. Well done, Iman. Aisha Javed, what is the problem, beta? And Sumaya also. Muhammad Abdullah bin Ishtiaq, beta, turn on your camera. Muhammad Hamza, Hamza, turn on your camera. Okay. Sumaya and Hamza Kashif.
मिस हादिया प्लीज बार बार वार्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप वेटिंग रूम में डालते जाइए। जो कैमरास ऑन नहीं कर रहे उन्हें वेटिंग रूम में डाल दीजिए प्लीज।
Okay, miss. Okay, beta, have you done? Raise your hands. Very good. Very good. Abdullah, Abdullah bin Ishtiaq, beta. Have you done? Raise your hand. Adan. Okay. Well done. Okay, beta. Next question is define Oceania. Define Oceania. Write down the question, then raise your hands, beta. What is Oceania? What do you know about Oceania? Or you can say define Oceania. Yes. Okay, Sheroz. Tell me the answer.
Oceania is the name given to the Australia, which is the fifth largest continent of the world.
Very good. And there are some other regions are included in the Oceania. And which are these areas, or you can say the which are the regions? Yes, Muhammad Arif.
It's Greenland,
Can
New
I
Zealand, and thousands
Just a
of
minute,
smaller
Shahroz.
islands.
Just a minute, Shahroz, beta. Muhammad Arif, tell me the answer.
Miss New Zealand and Hawaii.
Yes, New Zealand and Hawaii and thousands
Pacific?
of smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. Very good. Well done. Okay, write down the proper answer, and the proper answer you can see here. Oceania is the name given to Australia, New Zealand, Hawaii, and thousands of the smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. Is it clear? Oceania is the name given to Australia, New Zealand, Hawaii, and thousands of the smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. Complete your question, raise your hand, show me your copies. Yes, Muhammad Ali, I can see your copy. Yes, Iman. Okay, Aisha. Adan, turn on your camera. You have just 2 minutes. Okay, beta, have you done? Raise your hands.
Done.
Show me your
Done.
copies. Abdullah bin Ishtiaq, Adan, Ramla, beta, show me your copy. So I repeat the answer. Oceania is the name given to Australia, New Zealand, Hawaii, and thousands of the smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. Have you done, beta? Okay, Muhammad Arif, show me your copy. हाँ, लेकिन सही है, क्वेश्चंस की मुश्किल होती है. ओके ओके, वेल डन रमला. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. स्टेचू बनी होती है. ओके शहरोज, मोहम्मद अली, ईमान, वेल डन बेटा. मोहम्मद अली, हैव यू डन? ओके, वेरी गुड. Okay, our next question is, what do you know about the shape of Atlantic Ocean? What do you know about the shape of Atlantic Ocean?
The shape of Atlantic Ocean is oval or egg-shaped.
Okay, beta. First of all, you have to write down the question, then I will call the name, then you have to give me the answer. Anyways, well done, Sheroz. Abdullah bin Ishtiaq, beta, turn on your mic. Okay. Yes, Muhammad Ali. If you want to tell me the answer once again, You can tell the answer. Okay, you can give me the answer. Yes, tell me, beta.
What do you know about
What do you know about the shape of
Atlantic
Atlantic Ocean?
Ocean? Is like an egg.
Yes. Okay, write down the answer. This ocean is oval or egg shaped. Is it clear? And you know, this is the world's second largest ocean. Is it clear? This is the world's second largest ocean. And which is the first largest ocean of the world? This is a
Pacific.
general question. Yes?
Pacific Ocean. Pacific
Very
Ocean.
good. Very good. Well done. Very good. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Is it clear? And Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world. This ocean is oval or egg shaped. So raise your hands. If you have done, then raise your hands. Okay, well done. Sumaya, have you done, beta? Yes. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay. Show me your copies, beta. Yes, Ramla Muhammad Arif, very good. Muhammad Arif, well done. Okay, good. Very good, Ramla. Sumaya, show me your copy. Sumaya, are you there? Are you listening me? Show me your copy. Okay, beta. Next question is define ocean currents. First of all, write down the question. Define ocean currents. Okay. Who will give me the ons? Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay, Abdullah. You are raising your hand, beta. Tell me the answer. Yes. Just a minute. Wait, beta. Sharoz. Just wait. Okay, Abdullah. Tell me the answer. Define ocean currents. Yes. Say something, beta. Okay. Anyone else?
Can I give?
Yes.
The season of
Wait a
Ocean
minute,
currents.
Feroz. Yes. Yes, Ali.
Ocean currents are the are like the rivers of water which flow through the sea. If which keep on flowing through the sea if the sea is standing still.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay. Iman Rashid, beta. Give me your answer. Very good, Muhammad Ali. Iman. Iman Rashid, beta, give me your answer. Yes. Define ocean current.
Yes, Miss ocean current जो है ना
Speak louder, beta.
Miss in ocean currents the waves are calm and peaceful far away and they are striking.
Very good, beta. And this is good thing that you are giving the answers in your own words. It means that your concepts are clear. Very good. Well done. Okay, write down the proper answer. Okay, very good, beta. Okay, write down the proper answer. Ocean currents are like river. Ocean currents are like river of water flowing inside the oceans. Okay, write down the answer. Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the oceans. So there are river like water which is flowing inside the ocean. So answer is ocean currents are like river of water flowing inside the oceans, and that it means that if the rest of the ocean is standing still, it means that if the rest of the ocean is standing still, a narrow strip, strip, a narrow strip inside it, a narrow strip inside it will still be moving, will still be moving at a greater speed, will still be moving at a greater speed like a river. I will repeat the answer once again, but first of all, I will explain you that ocean currents mean a river-like thing, which apparently we can see that if the ocean is calm and quiet, but there is a river-like thing which is flowing inside the ocean in a greater speed, and that is actually called the ocean current. Is it clear? Okay, very good, Muhammad Arif. Show me the answer of this question. Define ocean currents. Yes, I can see your answer. Yes, very good. Very good. Well done. Okay, well done. Very good, Muhammad Arif. Okay, I repeat once again. Ocean currents are like rivers of water flowing inside the ocean. It means that if the rest of the ocean is standing still, a narrow strip inside it will still be moving at a greater speed, like a river. Very good, Ramla. Yes, well done. Beta, this is most important question. Is it clear? And I'm happy that your concepts are clear, and you have given me the answers in your own words. Well done, Muhammad Ali. Well done, Iman. Very good. Sheroz, Ramla. Well done. Yes, Sheroz. Yes, very good. I can see your copy. Well done. दूसरी बार बोला. Okay. Muhammad Ali, have you done, beta? Very good. Very good. Okay. Next question is, what do you know about salinity? What do you know about salinity?
मिस देख लें.
Write down the question first, beta. Yes, Muhammad Arif, very good. You have already done the this question, and you have write down the answer of this question. Well done. Beta Muhammad Arif, be focused towards your writing as well. Is it clear? So, okay. Okay, beta. Will
Salinity means the increase of amount of salt in
in the
ocean or
water.
river.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad. Beta Sumaya and Muhammad Talha, you are not participating in the class, beta. What is the reason? Okay, very good. Okay, Ramla, tell me the answer once again.
Can I give?
Yes, Ramla. Turn on your mic, beta. Yes, Ramla. Tell me the answer once again. Yes, Ramla. Speak louder, beta. What do you know about salinity?
Miss, can I give?
Yes, I can hear you, beta. Okay, Muhammad Ali. Do you want to tell me the answer? Yes,
Yes. Salinity means the quantity of salt in the water.
in the water. Very good. Salinity means the quantity of salt in the water. Very good. Salinity means the quantity of what of salt in the water. In some areas, there are uh, the areas which are more heavier, having a heavier water. It means the ratio of salinity in the water is much increasing uh, as compared to other areas. Is it clear? So the water which is the saline or salt heavy water, the saline water is always, heavier. Is it clear? So salinity means the quantity of salt in the water. Okay, raise your hands, beta. Have you done?
Sally.
Raise your hands. Okay, very good. Okay, next question is, how many types of currents are there in the Pacific Ocean? Write down the question first. How many types of currents are there in the Pacific Ocean?
Miss, there are two big currents in the Pacific Ocean, where one lies in the north and the other in the south.
Very good. Very good. There are two types of ocean currents in the Pacific Ocean. There are two types of ocean currents in the Pacific Ocean. Number one,
Pacific.
yes. How many types are there? There are two types of
So,
ocean currents in the Pacific Ocean. Number one, the North Pacific Ocean current and the South Pacific current. Is it clear? The North Pacific current and the South Pacific current. There are two types of currents in the ocean, in the Pacific Ocean. Number one, North Pacific current, and second, the South Pacific current. Okay, now show me your copies, beta. Show me your copies. Yes. Muhammad Arif, have you done? Sheroz, yes, very good. Ramla, Sheroz, and Muhammad Ali, well done, all of you, beta. Very good. Very good. Okay, Iman,
Thank
show me your
you.
copy. Muhammad Arif, show me your copy, beta. Okay, Iman, show me your copy, beta. Very good. Muhammad Arif. Okay, well done, Iman. Well done, all of you, beta. Muhammad Ali, beta, show me your copy. Now, one more question. We have 2 minutes. So, tell me the most famous incident of the Atlantic Ocean.
Titanic ship.
Very good, Muhammad Ali. Very good. Well done. Now, tell me properly, beta,
Which
Shahroz.
was
Tell me, give me the answer.
the most famous incident?
The
Is the most
Titanic ship.
One by one, beta, one by one. First
the
of all,
most famous
just
incident?
tell me the answer.
Titanic, one of the biggest ship in 1997.
Very good. Okay. Write down the answer of this question. मैंने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा आपसे? Which was the most
Famous.
famous incident of the Atlantic Ocean? Write down the question. Which was the most famous incident of the Atlantic Ocean? Okay, the answer is the most famous incident was the sinking of the Titanic. The most famous incident was the sinking of the Titanic, one of the biggest ship in
Yes, Mr.
in 1911, one of the biggest ships in 1911. You know that this is the most famous incident of the world, and you all are very well know about the ship and the movie which was made about the Titanic with the name of Titanic actually. So this is about okay, beta. So this is the last question. So that's all for today, beta. Well done, all of you, and thank you so much. Take care.
Happiness. Happiness.